Gloria? I mean, what happens after this if ever it does happen?
The problem is, unless we change the president, unless he steps down at this point in time, there's going to be no change. Patuloy ang mga kabulustugan na nangyayari. The government will be the same because dadayain nila sa 2015 elections. Alam naman natin na nakaset up na yung kanilang aparato for cheating. At saka 2 beses na hindi lang ginamit ito. So sanay na sila dito. So it's very important that we have an evolution. I'm not asking for a revolution. I'm asking for an evolution. We need to evolve our system, our country, even our thinking and our standards, our practices. We need to effect a whole evolution of the evils that plague us today. And unfortunately, Mr. Aquino is the biggest setback to these necessary changes that we need to make. So, Mr. Aquino should actually step down. Now, that is the best service he can give the country. Huwag na niyo, kalimutan na po niyo, Mr. Presidente, yung kayo pa ang pipili na inyong kasunod. Kasi sa inyo lang po, ay sawa-sawa na ang tao, alangan naman po papayag pa na kayo pa ang pumili na kasunod. Ito pong Mama Sapano incident is just the straw that broke the camel's back. It is just one of many incidents. And it is the last one that people were saying, tama na, sobra na.
So you wouldn't agree with what was said a while ago na if the Mama Sapano incident didn't happen, he could have continued his reign properly?
Well, perhaps another incident would have happened.
Yes.
Kasi it's an accumulation of incidents. Pero ang nangyari dyan, this biggest one of all, yung talagang tama ang puso ng tao is the Mama Sapano incident, because it established that Mr. Aquino cannot be the leader of our country. One, he has no empathy or sympathy for our people. Kabukanya niyan, he recently announced that he had talked to the families na naiwanan ng mga namatay sa Mama Sapano. But he was away, he was secluded for 3 days. Anong ginagawa niya? Naglaro ng PlayStation? I mean, that should have been something that should have been done immediately. Tapos nagyayabang sila. Binigyan daw nila ng TESDA scholarship ang mga naiwanan ng mga anak ng mga namatay na SAP-24. Oh my goodness, sabi ko, as former Director General of TESDA, ngayon ba dito sa administrasyon ni Pinoy, kinakailangan mamatay muna yung tatay bago magbigay ng scholarship sa mga anak? Noong panahon namin, lahat na nagpupunta sa amin na humingi ng scholarship ay binibigyan namin ng scholarship. Hindi kinakailangan may mamatay pa sa pamilya. Hindi kailangan magbayani pa yung tatay para makatanggap ng TESDA scholarship. During our time, we gave away 8.5 million TESDA scholarships. During our time, we had 230 courses of TESDA. During our time, yung mga walang pamasahe at hindi makakapunta sa TESDA training, binibigyan pa namin ng pamasahe. Ngunit, nung dumating si Pinoy, ayaw niya lahat ng ginawa ni Gloria, pati yung mga mabubuting ginawa ay hininto niya. At yung ladderang education natin is gone. Before anybody can finish college, by passing through textbook and earning his way and get a college degree and 3 years working experience in 7 years. Ngayon, wala na yan. And so, our president really, I'm sorry to say it, but he really is incapable. Obviously, he is a puppet. May mga puppeteers na nagpapatakbo ng puppet. Nandun si Drilon, nandun si Abaya, nandun ang iba pang tao na nagpapatakbo ng puppet. So, pati yung ilong ni Pinoy humaba na para si Pinocchio na bilang puppet. So, we need to bring about change. And the portal for this change is the 2016 election. kung hindi natin papalitan si Pinoy, kung hindi maging step down, yung 2016 election ay ayos na. At yung kagustuhan ni Pinoy ang gagawin. Yung hocus pocus will be expanded even by 2016. I know. I was chairman of the Committee on Suffrage and Electoral Reforms for 1.5 terms in Congress. I was the one who first looked into electronic voting. But I have concluded that electronic voting, it is easier to cheat than in manual voting. Dati, para makapagtaya ka, kukunin mo yung lahat ng balota, yung bilog na balota, kukunin mo. Ngayon, para mag-cheat ka, papalitan mo lang yung CF ka. Ngayon, para makadaya ka, yung transmission na natanggap na from PICOS precinct to PICOS municipal tabulation ay natanggap na yan. Another transmission will change that. And they know how to do it. So, ito po ang portal, ang daanan, ang parang imbuda ng lahat ng kinakailangan na pagbabago na gawin natin. Ito mo 2016. And it cannot happen when Pinoy is